Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking. And returnees too, welcome. Thank you so much. My subscribers are growing. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's start today. Today we're going to be talking, like having a little bit chit chat. We're going to talking about sewing machine needles. And before I do that, I have a question for you. What is the single biggest challenge you have in your sewing? What is the biggest single challenge you have in your sewing? Please leave your answers in the comment section, okay? It's very important. I want to know where you are, where you fall, so I can move on with the following videos. I am thinking about us moving on to, it doesn't matter which company pattern, a reversible vest and a shirt. That's what I'm thinking of doing next. But before I do that, answer the question that I asked. Okay, please? And I'll take it from there. Today, remember the first book I asked you to buy? The very first book. This is the only one I've asked you to buy so far. And if you've bought it in page, now that I'm looking for it, I can't find it. Where is it? In the, page 23. It has all the needles, machine needles, the sizes, and what fabric you can use it on. For me to take 3, 5, 6 minutes to discuss the machine sewing needle, this will give you more information than I can give you on YouTube because of time. And also when you go to fabric shop, try to find this needle guide. Okay, this also has so many information. Okay, it tells you the sizes, what you can use it for, and how to know what if the end is blunt or if you need to change the needle, and even gives you wedgie needles. It gives you double needles and how to use them. Okay, thanks. And as I said, what is the single biggest challenge you have in your sewing? I repeat, what is the single biggest challenge you have in your sewing? So this is what we're going to be discussing today, as I keep repeating myself. So please leave your answers in the comment, then I'll keep moving on with the videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Happy Good Friday. Okay, bye bye. Thanks.